My name's Ossian Thomas, I'm 25. So I work in Wal Restaurant in Caernarfon. We're more of like a cafe type thing in the daytime, and then at night time we tend to do more upscale food. And then I also work in town. We've got the pizzeria restaurant next door. I did level 2 and level 3 professional catering. I started level 2 in 2019, but then we had a bit of a hiccup with COVID, so it took a bit longer than most people. But then I went on to do level 3. I chose that route because I got a job in a kitchen doing what I really liked. And then I went to university and it just wasn't for me. So I went back to the restaurants I was working in and decided to get some qualifications behind me as well. I'd recommend apprenticeship to anybody really. I had a really good experience with mine. I had an excellent tutor. It was a really good way for me to be able to get some real life experience, work in an environment I really enjoyed, and also get a qualification behind me. So I'd recommend it to anybody. It's definitely something worth doing. I work in the Wal Restaurant in Caernarfon as well as Tarn, and my employer's name's John Terrell. He's been nothing but supportive. Anybody in the staffing that wants to do the college course, he pushes them forward. At the end of the day, he gets better staff at the end of it, so he's more than happy to do it. So the way I learned while doing the apprenticeship was I had Louise coming in to do practical work, so we'd be cooking in the kitchen, we'd be doing theory work on the computer. The support Louise has given us is amazing. I wasn't the best student to start with, to be honest. She had to really chase me up, but she did, and I'm grateful for it. Otherwise, I would have never completed the course. She's been absolutely brilliant. The apprenticeship I've done has definitely helped me progress in my career, because since starting level 2, I've gone from bottom level of the kitchen I work to being the head chef, and I've decided while I'm working in catering I want to keep getting more and more qualifications, and then I definitely plan on putting them to use.
Yeah.